Hi everyone, I am Abdul from AM Graphix. Today in this video, I will show you how to make a realistic mug mockup in Photoshop. So let's get started. First, make a selection of the mug. After make a selection, press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. So import the design. So go to File, Place Embedded and Import. And transform it to the mug size. And hit OK. Now create a clipping mask. And change that blend mode to multiply. And press Ctrl T to transform. And click on warp mode. And change the custom to cylinder. And adjust it. After make adjustment, click OK. Now go to blending options and break the slider by holding Alt and drag with click and move to the left side. And hit OK. And your realistic mug mockup is ready. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found this trick helpful.